I'm gonna make sure we get right into this. Let's do it.
Holy shit, that's Chris from Kenya. Shit.
Hey, he's about it, he waved.
Boys, we've secured some runs with an RS3. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy! We're gonna make this one really quick because this was super random. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris and we're building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. Go fast, have a good time. If the kind of shit you like, hit the button, do the thing. I'm gonna jump right into this video. I just met a guy from the area named Corey. He's got an RS3 and it was fully stock. And I feel like it was sick that we finally got to get some runs in, so we'll jump right into that. Stock, even though he's got a shit ton of stuff to put on it. So we're trying to get some runs in before he tunes it, and I don't have a chance. But we'll see. I didn't hear the honk. His honk on the first one. Boy, it was lacking. Shout out to the boy, Corey. That was dope. Alright, I'm gonna try. Well, I guess this is gonna be a fast video, but I'll try to give you something. We'll do a couple more runs, maybe. I don't know. I just want to. I want to do more videos like this, get more runs in, shit like that. So this is cool. Shout out to you, Corey. Appreciate it, bro. So, seeing how that stacked up, I think like a stage 1 RS3 though would probably be like neck and neck where this is at. Anything more than stage 1 RS3, I think I'd get smoked. I wasn't pulling away too hard, let's be honest. But seeing how it stacked up where it is now, on the new tune and everything, it'll be interesting to see what'll be a good race with the new setup. That's gonna go fucking... it's gonna be spicy, bro, spicy. Comment below, I wanna hear. What do you think the new setup is? We'll see about down below. What's some guesses? I want to do more videos like this, just quick, like, to the point. I like the vlog style ones sometimes. Well, actually, I like the vlog style most of the time, but I like the quick to the point ones sometimes too, you know? Just some good old fashioned racing. That's what I want the 360 cam videos to be. I want them to be like this, like quick, bunch of runs. Also, when we get the new setup, I've always wanted to do like the GTI versus the world videos, like Jewel City did a really good one. I've always wanted to do one of those, but there's not enough builds around here. People don't build cars. Like, a lot of people have stock 5.0s, stock scats, stuff like that. Like, nobody has built stuff. So it just wouldn't even be like, I don't know. That's what I want to do though. I want to compile up like a year's worth and just do like a really good GTI versus the world video. That'd be fucking so sick. Anyway. Oh, hot dog. 86 police. We're in. honestly is. Not even being goofy. Alrighty, bros, super late. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. I'm gonna try to do more like this with like specifically runs and shit. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I just like getting into videos when I can. Busy schedule with work and everything, so it's nice when I can just get quick with it. Catch you in the next one. Just keep driving, keep it real. Your boy's out. Peace.